y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with a brand new slime review video for you that I'm really excited. The shop we are reviewing today is Slime Obsidian, king of slime. So I'm really excited. Let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so let's take a look at what came in the package. So for extras, I got a huge bag of Skittles, which is awesome. And then I also got this little care packet here that has a business card, borax for reactivation, and then of course some more candy. And I thought during filming this that I bought 5 slimes. However, I only bought 4, so 2 of these were actually given as gifts, which I am super thankful for. So Jacob, if you're watching, thank you. It was a Sweet Dreams Cloud and then the Oreo Fudge frosting. So first up, I am showing you all Galactic Lemonade, which is obviously the one that I was super excited about because it's my favorite color. It is beautiful and it's my favorite slime texture at the moment. I am obsessed with jelly slimes. This one felt so good. It didn't have a wet residue at all. It just felt amazing. I've never felt Jacob's jelly slime, I don't think, and they are amazing. I love them. I can't say that enough. And I love all of the little add-ins. There's sprinkles and Fimo slices, and the scent of this was very refreshing. It didn't really smell lemony to me. It smelled more of like a refreshing type scent. I don't really know how to explain it, but the scent was really good. The next one up is Neapolitan Cream, and I was super excited for this one as well because I love Jacob's thick slimes. I had the first one was Churro Cream way back in the day, and I loved it. So this one is nothing less but exceptional. I love it a lot. It's super thick and creamy. It almost feels like it has clay in there, but I'm pretty sure there isn't. And I love all the add-ins. There's marshmallow foam beads, regular foam beads, also like sprinkles and Oreo chunks. Oreo? I don't know if they're Oreo chunks, but they're like, you know, chocolate chunks. And I love it. It smelled really great as well, and it was just perfect for bubble popping. Juicy Jelly, can we just take a moment, like a little moment of silence? Can we just do that real quick? Because this slime was amazing, y'all. I loved it so much. First of all, that color though, it is so vibrant and so almost fluorescent. Like, I couldn't believe my eyes. It was amazing. And it scented like orange soda, and of course, I loved that. And it was an iconic jelly slime from Slime Obsidian. Like, what more do you want? I just loved this slime a lot. This slime here is Oreo fudge frosting, and this was another slime that was given to me for free as like a gift. So thank you, Jacob. Again, if you are watching, you are the realest. This one was super sizzly, like right out of the container, and it was so light. Like it was so lightweight. I really felt like I was playing with just clay. It was amazing. It's like a butter slime texture, and it's scented just like chocolate. It smells really good, and I overall loved the sizzles of this, and the texture was amazing. I only have felt a butter slime like this before from Slime OG, and I love Slime OG's butter slime, so of course I loved this one. The next slime is rose gold, and it was just perfection. It was beautiful. I loved it a lot. I believe it was unscented, but it's beautiful. Like, what more can you want out of this slime? Look at that gold shift. It was amazing. I even had to turn off my studio lights, well, one of them, just so that y'all could see like the perfection of it. I mean, look at that. The gold shift is beautiful. I love this pigment. I need this pigment. The texture overall is pretty much everything you want from a clear slime. It's super thick, almost putty-like, but very stretchable, and I loved that. And last but certainly not least, we have Sweet Dreams Cloud, which was also gifted to me, and I just love this slime so much. The scent of it smelled so good, almost like a Rockstar scent from Lush. It smelled amazing, very kind of sweet but soothing at the same time, and I love how all the glitters were at the bottom so that you can easily see them from the packaging. It was super sizzly, and y'all, I can never really truly drizzle a cloud slime, but this made me like a cloud slime king because it was so effortlessly to drizzle this. I like had no problem at all. Alrighty, y'all, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know which of the slimes were your favorite. I definitely have to say that Juicy Jelly is definitely up there, as well as the cloud slime was so good. Oh my gosh. I am never able to perfectly drizzle a cloud slime, and that made me look like a cloud slime master. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!